Hello everyone, in this video we are looking into a new feature by Claude Code. This feature helps you run multiple agents that coordinates between each other, passes messages, takes input from each other and optimize the work. These agents will have their own separate Claude Code instance running inside single instance of a Claude Code. Before we move forward, let's understand what's going on here. So when we look at a single agent architecture, we have a prompt that passes to a single agent, and single agent then do all the things, planning, code writing, validation, and everything is done by a single agent. But when we look into a multi-agent or agents team architecture inside Claude Code, your prompt is passed to a planner agent, and this planner agent then creates multiple agents based on the prompt. These newly created multiple agents will have their own Claude Code instance, and it will pass messages between each other whenever needed, and planner agent can control these newly created agents. And if we look into the comparison between sub-agents and agents team, you can see each agent inside the team will have their own context window and they are fully independent of their development. Teammates communicate between each other, like on sub-agents, teammates report to a single agent only. If we look into the coordination, main agent inside sub-agents manages all the work, while in agents team shared task list will be there and each agent will work on its own. So what is the need of this agents team? When you want to do a complex work that requires discussion and collaboration, then agents team is a good solution. But however, this thing comes with a cost. When you use sub-agents architecture, the token consumption is minimum. However, on the agents team, the token consumption is very higher. If we look further into the documentation, we will see a couple of interesting things. The main agent can shut down the teammates when needed. The main agent also can clean up the teammates when needed. In order to use this feature in your Claude Code, you need to do a couple of things. First, you need to install TMUX on your terminal. In order to visualize couple of things, you will need TMUX on your terminal. Once you install that, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Claude Code installed on your machine. Then you need to go to home directory of your machine where you will see this .claude folder. On Windows, this folder will be inside the users directory. When you go inside the directory, you will see settings.json file. There is a possibility that you don't find settings.json file inside your .claude directory. So you can create settings.json file, and inside the settings.json file, you need these two things: Claude Code experimental agent teams, and set the property as 1, and then teammate mode to TMUX. Once you have these things ready, then you first invoke a TMUX session, and inside the TMUX session, you can initiate your Claude Code, and I'll trust the folder. Once you are inside Claude Code, you can use this experiment feature. Let me copy a sample prompt given on the official documentation. I'll come here and paste this. In the prompt, you need to explicitly say that create agents team. You can provide each agent's role and responsibility as well. So when I hit enter here, you will see that Claude Code is saying that it will spin up 3 agents in parallel. If you notice this part, that first agent is created and second agent is created, and this is the third agent which is created by the main planner agent, while when we provided this prompt. Now, these three agents will do their work on their own. Each agent have their separate Claude Code instance running inside the single instance that we have started. They will have their own context and session as well. I will let these three agents do their work on their own. However, I guess this is it from my side for this video. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this new feature and how the impact of this feature on software development roles. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.